Hey, what's going on? All right, today I'm gonna be working on these door handles. I'm gonna paint them red. Right here, I got them kind of taped down that I got set up. And on the CRX, right here, I'm just putting on these right here. I got the other ones at home. I'm gonna bring those tomorrow, and I gotta get. I might have the clips for them, so we better let's clean them up. I cleaned these up, and it came out all right. They look good. This side too, I got on. So tomorrow I'll get the other molding. But yeah, it's coming out. It's looking good. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And right now I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna primer these door handles. And then just paint them and clear them. Oh shit. Hold on, I gotta adjust it down. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna put the last coat of paint. So I got it all covered pretty good. So. All right, they're all done. I just put 2 coats on there, so it's clear. Tomorrow they should be ready. Yeah, tomorrow they'll be dry and I can put them on. So that's gonna be it right now. All right, see you guys tomorrow.